Iloilo City today is far different from what we have seen before. The infrastructure and economic boom have transformed this city. From a sleeping metropolis, it has become a hub for business process outsourcing. Information technology, real estate, tourism, culinary, and education. By ensuring strong public-private partnership, coupled with our ardent desire to become a smart and sustainable city, we aspire to be one of the most livable, highly urbanized cities by 2028.
Welcome to the City of Love, Iloilo. With the fusion of the old and the new, Iloilo City offers both a relaxing, laid-back, and sophisticated lifestyle. It is home to century-old structures, colorful festivals, and hospitable people. Iloilo City was also awarded as the most business-friendly city in the country. Come, experience, and live in Iloilo City.